Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video we will talk about simple present tense. You will see how simple present tense is made, how that is converted. First of all, we will talk about what simple present tense conveys. The main identification of simple present tense is that it tells us about the habits in present tense. Habits of the subject. For example, he goes to school. It is a habit. He usually goes to school, right? That is the habit of that person. Second one, they play tennis. That is a regular habit. They usually play tennis. An action which is repeated again and again daily every day is called a habit. Habits in present tense right now, that comes in simple present tense. You see one thing here, he is the singular subject. They, that is plural subject. With he we are using main verb first form plus s or es, and with plural with they we are using only main verb first form. You saw here that when we are having singular subject, then we use main verb first form plus s or es. When we have a plural subject, then we use main verb first form only. We do not make any kind of changes in those tenses. Alright? Now that is all affirmative sentences. If you want to make it negative, then what comes? The first one I am taking, it becomes he. We use does not go to school. Second one, they do not play tennis. You saw here that when we have singular subject, we are using does. When we have plural subject, we are using do. For singulars, we are using does. For plural subject, we are using do. Or you can simply call it that we are using do as a helping verb and we are putting s or es with singular subjects. Do plus es becomes does, right? Easy trick to remember that use do when we are having singular, put es with that, it becomes does. When it is plural, it is usually the same. But keep in mind one thing, while we are using does, we use main verb first form only. We do not use s or es here also, right? That is for one place. Either you can use here or here, because in affirmatives we are using here, in negatives and interrogatives it is used here with helping verb, so not used there. Got it? Make it very sure that you are not using at both the places. Now we are coming to interrogatives. For interrogative sentences, does he go to school? Do they play tennis? What I have done, I have not done anything else. I have just taken the helping verb out. Helping verb which was used here inside, I have taken it in the very beginning. That only the changes which I have made. If we have any WH word, that becomes in the very beginning. First one I am using when does he go to school, right? Easiest way, put the WH word in the very beginning. Now the next type is interrogative plus negative. If I am using these both, then how it becomes? The first one I am taking, does he not go to school? Second one, do they not play tennis? Right? How easy it is? Not is always inserted before main verb. There is no other place reserved for not. It always comes before main verb, right? As I have used here. Does he not go? Go is the main verb. Before that I have inserted not. Play is the main verb. Before that I have inserted not. Right? That is very easy. Other things will not be changed. It will be as a simply insert not before main verb. Nothing else. Right? Now let's come to the structure of this. The structure becomes subject for affirmatives plus main verb first form for plural subjects for singular subjects plus object. If we have negative, subject plus we use do or does, do for plural, does for singular, plus not, main verb first form, plus object, right? Interrogatives, there is no need. I think you can make it very easily. Right? This is how we are getting the structure of simple present tense. Another trick you can use it. It is very easy to have does. Does means it has S for singular. Always keep in mind when we have S in any of the helping verb, S for singular, that is used in singular form, singular subject, and other helping verb that is used in plural subjects, right? Hope you will get something out of it. Thank you.